Welcome back, movie lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating comparison between two iconic figures from Indian mythology, the crow and raven. At first glance, these two might seem worlds apart. The crow, often seen as a symbol of intelligence and adaptability, plays a significant role in various cultural narratives. It's known for its resourcefulness, often finding ways to thrive in challenging environments. In contrast, Raven, the 10-headed king from the epic Ramayana, embodies complexity. While he is often portrayed as the antagonist, his character is layered with wisdom, devotion, and a deep understanding of Dharma. Both the crow and raven teach us valuable lessons. The crow reminds us of the importance of survival and cleverness, while raven challenges us to reflect on the duality of good and evil within ourselves. Thanks for joining me on this exploration. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.